A message for the following county: North Cass, Minnesota. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 12 to 16 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? North Cass, South Cass, Crow Wing, Northern Aitkin, South Aitkin, Carlton and South St. Louis and Pine counties. This includes the tribal lands of the Fond du Lac Band and the Mille Lacs Band, Big Sandy Lake, East Lake, Lena Lake and Hinkley areas. When? From 10 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details: blizzard conditions may develop Monday. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org for Minnesota or 511wi.gov for Wisconsin.